Hi friends, welcome to my channel Plants and Birds. Friends, in last series of agriculture we have discussed about the introduction and importance of vegetable cultivation. In this video we are going to discuss about the problems involved in vegetable cultivation or problems in vegetable production. The first problem in vegetable production is vegetables are highly perishable. That is, they cannot be stored for long time, and as they are become decay. Okay, they cannot be stored for long time. Okay, due to high water content and high metabolic activities like respiration. It is estimated that 20 to 30% of vegetables produced in India are lost due to improper post harvest handling, improper transportation, improper storage methods. Okay, that is, every year 20 to 30% of vegetable produced in India are lost or spoiled. Okay, due to improper post harvest handling. Okay, due to improper transportation and improper storage methods. In storage methods like temperature fluctuations and humidity fluctuations. Next problem in vegetable cultivation is lack of technical knowledge of scientific cultivation. Okay, every vegetable farmer must know the technical knowledge how to manage the vegetables quality and to manage the losses. Okay, technical knowledge is essential for selection of suitable varieties for different regions. Like temperate regions will have some varieties which is suitable for that region only. Okay, because they need cool temperature. Okay, less temperature, and for tropical region more temperature is required, so that there are some varieties which need that temperature. Okay, and for different purposes. Okay, some varieties are is there for only for marketing, and some varieties are there only for processing, and some varieties are available for both processing and marketing. Okay, next we can for example we can know the modern nursery management techniques and integrated nutrient management. We can know pest and disease management can also be known. Harvest at right stage is also important to be noted here, because if harvest at immature stage, the market will be not not to accept that product, and if you harvest at fully ripened stage, there is a damage in the product produced. Okay, and which leads to loss to the farmer. And packing and marketing also important. Okay, without packing helps to without damaging. Okay, packing helps to transport the vegetables without damaging, and marketing is a can be known by technical knowledge of scientific cultivation. Okay, this has been less in the India. Next, lack of transportation facilities. Most of the Indian villages are not connected with good roads. That means which leads to road transporter to drive the vehicle in slow. Okay, which leads to due to which vegetables produced in rural area may not reach the market timely, and delay in transportation will leads to loss of quality. Quality will be lost. Okay, this is the one of the main problem in vegetable cultivation in India. Next, lack of enough processing, refrigeration and storage facilities. Okay, India has lacked in this processing units. Okay, there are less number of processing units. Okay, according to vegetable production, there are less number of processing units, and refrigeration is not available up to now, and storage facilities has been very less. Okay, that is cold storage or any other. Okay, next, recently under NHM, National Horticulture Mission, government is providing subsidies for purchase of refrigerated van. Okay, for long vegetables to transport to long distances without damaging. Okay, of fruits and vegetables, refrigerated van for transportation of fruits and vegetables for rural area to cities. Okay, and also for long distance transport also. Okay, next, non availability of quality seed. This is another important problem in vegetable cultivation. That is, nowadays, that is, quality of the vegetable seeds given by the seller will not be true correct variety, or there will be a mixing of the varieties or alteration in the variety. Okay, nowadays this problem is solved to some extent by enforcement of Seed Act, that is in 1966 by the government, which leads to checking of the seeds before releasing into the market, and giving the quality to the farmers. National Seed Corporation, after this, National Seed Corporation started supply of improved varieties of hybrid seeds directly or throw its branches to farmers, which leads to decrease in the alteration in the quality of the variety or hybrid. And next, high cost of plant protection chemicals and fertilizers. This is another important problem in vegetable cultivation. Okay, as chances of disease and pest and disease attack is more in vegetable. If you have started leafy vegetables, if any leafy is damaged by a pest or diseases, then the whole produce will be rejected by the market. Okay, this is the major problem. Therefore, adopting integrated pest and disease management is necessary by the farmers. Next, lack of irrigation facilities. Okay, one of the main problem in many of the states in India are irrigation facility, lack of irrigation facilities. Okay, there is not sufficient water. Okay, is present according to these sensors. Light and frequent irrigations are very essential for vegetable cultivation. We can't provide only one side. Okay, we must provide in light and frequent. Okay, weekly twice or weekly once irrigation is must for vegetable cultivation. During summer, it is not possible to grow vegetables without irrigation facility. Okay, you know that in India, in some of the states, there is no enough water for drinking also in summer. How can they cultivate the vegetables in that condition? Okay, this is one of the problem in vegetable cultivation. Next, fluctuations in market prices. Okay, there is every day there is a fluctuation in market price in case of vegetables, that is olericulture, and also in case of floriculture, and in case of fruit science. Okay, all this leads to this is one of the main problem in vegetable cultivation. During surplus production, that means when the supply of vegetables is stopped to other countries, then which leads to variation in the prices occurs, especially in vegetables, because they are decayed, they are easy, very highly perishable in nature. Okay, so that market will decrease that price of that produce. And also depends on seasonal production. Okay, if you produce what bottle gourd in winter or rainy season, no one will purchase. If you produce that in summer only, it will be have craze. Okay, like that seasonal production also is the main reason for fluctuation in market prices. Okay, next, malpractices in market. This is the main problem facing by the vegetable farmers in market. Okay, because there will be a middleman involvement, which leads to losses to the farmer. Okay, Department of Horticulture is trying to avoid middleman involvement in market through horticulture producers cooperative marketing and processing society, that is HOPCOMS. Okay, HOPCOMS. Okay, HOPCOMS, this is very important to be noted, established by M.H. Marigold, that is father of horticulture, in 1965 with 15 board of directors. Okay, 15 board of horticulture to avoid middleman involvement in market. And next, last one is lack of research and technical guidance. Okay, all India Coordinated Vegetable Improvement Project by ICAR in 1970 and 71 provided a grid for testing of varieties and technologies developed by various state agricultural universities and to recommend for national release. Okay, when the agriculture university will release a new varieties which will be tested by all India Coordinated Vegetable Improvement Project AICVIP by ICAR, which is released by ICAR and recommended for national release. Okay, then it can be reached for every farmers. Okay, this is about the problems of vegetable cultivation, friends. In next video we will discuss about the classification of vegetables for overcoming all these problems and cultivation of vegetables in a successful manner. Thank you, friends. Bye.